Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to avoid Omegle Captcha. The first step is to restart your router. Restarting your router can be an effective way to avoid Omegle Captcha. Another step is that clearing cache and cookies of your browser. Open up your preferred web browser. Now, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Here you can see Settings option. Go to your settings. Now go to Privacy and Security, which is right here, and click on it. After that you can see Delete Browsing Data option. Click on it. Here select the time range to all time and select all these boxes from here. After that, click on Delete Data button. In this way, your cache and cookies will be deleted. So, these are some basic steps to avoid Omegle Captcha. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.